What's up, guys? This is Pat the Sniper here. I got an unboxing for you guys today of my sniper gear. Most of it anyway. Yeah, let's get into it. That's kind of funky. Okay, E-Vike. Really, E-Vike? What type of shit is that? So yeah, I ordered a barrel cleaner for my L96. Sniper bag. Hopefully it'll fit my sniper. This is the AIM Deluxe gun bag. I think it's like 51 inches. Looks pretty good. Let's put that to the side. This must be my headset. Yeah. Alright. Now this is the, I forgot what it's called. This is the, what is it at? Matrix Element Military Grade. Sorry about that, guys. Somebody called me and the video stopped. So yeah, here's the headset. Let's see. Yeah, left side. All right. Am I putting it on right or what? Hold up. Yeah, that's how it goes, I guess. Just put that to the side. No, I wasn't able to get the push to talk for that because E-Vike didn't have it in stock, and I wasn't able to get my gloves because they didn't have that in stock either. So. Now here's the Condor drop leg rig. You got your walkie-talkie pouch, I think your flashlight pouch, and you have your gadget pouch. And I got another gadget pouch, so I can put more stuff in there. Yeah. I just want to see how big it is. Yeah, it'll fit my L96 mags. So yeah, I'm let me just move the box to the side a little bit so you can see better. What is it? I think this is a Condor. Yeah, I think it's Condor. I totally forgot the name. No, it's Matrix. It's Matrix hydration pack. Here's the water one. Let's see how close on that. Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, but kind of glad it ain't. Let's see how it looks. Yeah. good. I like that. I thought it wasn't gonna be right up on me. But yeah, that'll definitely work. Here I have the Condor knee pad. Condor knee pads. They should work. They look pretty good. Definitely a lot of padding on it. What else did I get? Oh, don't tell me they spilled out. Alright, here's some Golden Ball 125 gram beads. This is for my pistol. And I got a dead rag, so yeah. That's basically it. Like, subscribe, comment if you have any questions. Peace.